here all the way from Bombay. My friend Amrita, she's a food blogger, food stylist. She does workshops. Now she's also doing pop-ups.
Yes.
And also an Ayurvedic nutritionist. So very excited to have her here in the kitchen. So I've known Amrita for 5 years now. Because we saw that WhatsApp chat yesterday when we first spoke, and she came to Delhi and we met there.
And actually we decided to do a workshop together, and he was doing baking and I was doing the cooking bit.
In Gurgaon.
Yeah, and because we recently did a food styling workshop and Instagram workshop, and I really realized that we both are very similar. So we are always twinning, like always.
So whenever I go to Amrita's house in Bombay, she makes sure I have breakfast because I'm someone who always skips breakfast, but that's never allowed when I'm with her.
Exactly. I also, when I feed him breakfast, I take picture and I send it to his mom. कि देखो आज आपके बेटे ने नाश्ता किया.
Yeah, which is
and I made him work also in the kitchen.
Yeah. So whenever I go visit her, we make things like cheese and chili parathas, and when I say we make, she's basically making it, and I'm doing the menial jobs of grating the cheese and all of that, posing with it, and it's exactly what we're doing today. So we're making something very interesting. Amrita, what do you have planned for us?
Okay, so I wanted to include something to cooling ho body ke liye, especially because your body type does require a little cooling ingredients. So I've got ragi flour here, and we're gonna make crepes out of it.
Oh, very interesting.
And gonna be eggless.
Eggless! Awesome. Let's get started. Alright Amrita, so I have a bowl here. How do we go about it?
Okay, let's make the batter. This is ragi flour. Just add it here. You also want 1 teaspoon of jaggery powder.
Okay.
Just add a pinch of rock salt. Okay.
So we have ragi flour, jaggery and rock salt in the bowl.
Yes.
Next.
A little bit of baking powder.
Okay. How much?
Just like a pinch of it.
Okay. So pinch of baking powder.
Now, thoda sa milk जाने वाला है इसमें.
Okay.
Now, if you're following the vegan diet, then just use coconut milk or almond milk or soy milk, whatever you prefer.
So dry ingredients are in a bowl, and now we are adding the milk.
Exactly. And about 1/4 cup, just add it.
Okay.
That's it. Alright.
And mix it together.
And you need water as well.
Okay.
We're making very thin batter.
Okay.
So just add water little by little, and then we'll see if we need more. That's it. Whisk it. Okay, you don't need more water because you want thin batter.
Okay. So Amrita, I don't bake too often with ragi flour, but do you need to sift it before adding it to the batter, or just like that is fine?
No, just like that is fine.
Okay.
A little bit more.
So is this done, Amrita?
Yes, you want this pouring consistency, okay?
Okay.
And this batter also has to rest for about 10 minutes.
Oh, done?
Yeah.
Alright, it's super simple, just 6 ingredients and 2 minutes.
Yeah.
You mix everything in one bowl and it's done.
Yes.
Alright.
And you can, if you don't want to make it ragi, you can make it with jawar, bajra, whole wheat, or mix of
amazing.
flours. So it's one of
Amazing.
those really healthy recipes.
So you can play around with it. This is like a basic recipe that we've given you.
Yeah.
So play around with it and be fun. Okay, so I'm going to set this aside and let it rest on the counter. But now going to the most interesting part, Amrita is going to teach us how to make ricotta cheese from scratch.
Yeah.
So I am very excited about this because I've never made ricotta cheese at home. I always get it from the supermarket. So I'm excited to see how you do it. Yeah?
It's actually pretty easy. If you've made paneer at home, it's exactly
No, I've never made paneer at home
Your
either.
mom has
So,
made.
yeah. So you have to teach me.
Okay, done.
And come, let's do it.
Okay, to make ricotta at home, you just need milk and lemon.
Oh, that's it?
That's it.
Alright.
Alright, so take in 1 liter of milk, pour it in this pot, and we'll bring it to boil. Giraiye kam Shivesh ji. Shivesh, by the way, is a very messy cook. I tell you, हर बार, in fact, जब पहली बार मैंने workshop करी थी उसके साथ में, there were things everywhere, right? And I had asked,
cleaning up, basically.
No wait, I had asked my intern कि जहाँ शिवेश जाए, जैसे वो कुछ कर रहा होगा तो please उठा देना side पे रख देना.
That's true. That's true story. I feel attacked and exposed.
Exposed.
Alright, so the milk is in the saucepan, and now what do we do?
Yeah, bring it to boil.
Okay. Alright, so the milk is to come to a boil.
Yeah.
So this is going to take time. So meanwhile, you tell me what is my body type. No, you were saying something.
Okay. So I'll have to quickly explain what is Ayurveda based on, right? Ayurveda is all about how we all are made of all 5 elements, right? So there's space, air, earth, water, fire, right?
Okay.
Now
I feel like I'm earth because I'm very grounded.
Not really. You're fire, baby. Yeah, no, actually, literally, Shivesh, I can look at him and I can tell that he has more fire element in his body. Ayurveda doctors can always check your nadi and can tell you, okay, this is your body type.
Okay.
But I have a questionnaire, which I will share with you. But I already know, looking at a person, you
behind
can tell.
the scenes.
Yeah. दूध उबल चुका है. At this stage, you have to add 2 lemons to this 1 liter milk. Okay. Okay. Shivesh is quite fancy, so we're going to use this
Italian lemons. But you can use your regular desi neem also, right?
Of
so yeah,
course.
don't worry. You just need lemon juice
Nice.
and add that to the boiling milk.
See, already it's beginning to curdle. Yeah. ये हमें सिर्फ नोटिस चेक करना है कि ये अलग बिल्कुल सेपरेट हो जाए. See now,
Okay.
this water is getting transparent. This is done.
So that happens because you add lemon juice to your
Yes.
milk. All right.
So now the whey and the curd is separated. Okay, we need to just strain this completely. Is it hot? All right, let's pick it up. Okay, this is done.
Amazing.
Okay.
So Amrita, this looks great, but I have a question.
Yeah.
So how is it different from making paneer?
Okay, paneer will also probably use little lesser lemon also.
Okay.
And इस stage पे ना पनीर को proper hard bind करके बिल्कुल water निकाल देते हैं और ताकि उसको shape set कर सकें.
Alright.
Which we don't do with ricotta. Ricotta
Okay.
is usually used and it's nicer and creamier and softer.
Okay, and how do we make it creamy and soft?
By blending it.
All right.
Yeah. You can use this water to help it blend easily.
Okay.
Just 2 chammach.
Okay.
Or 3 chammach.
Feeling generous.
Yeah.
All right. Alright, so the ricotta is done and we've kept it in the fridge.
Yeah, because I want it to chill a little bit.
Okay.
When our crepes will be ready, it will just taste nicer.
Okay, great. So, but one last question. So we used so much milk and only got this much ricotta. Why is that?
Because you all use toned milk at home.
Yeah.
I usually use A2 cow milk, which is also full fat milk. I will
Okay.
get more ricotta at home and also easy for body to digest.
So more
And-
fat, more cheese.
And also looks a little yellowish like
Okay.
cow milk. Okay?
Alright.
And Ayurveda does suggest that you should have A2 cow milk more in your diet.
Okay. Alright. So ricotta is done. Let's make the crepes now.
Yeah.
So batter is rested.
Yes, really well. Nice.
Awesome.
You need a whisk now because this recipe is eggless and we need to make it more light and airy. So it's easier thing to do is just whisk it really well.
Okay. Let's do that.
Yes. See, this is what Shivesh does. He actually says that I am making for you, but he actually makes you
Just
too.
chill. Yeah, because I've been making things every Friday, so I thought that you're coming shooting with
Bombay
me.
से तुम काम करने आए हो.
So I get you to do all the work.
Yeah.
I can take a day off and just eat. Acha, Amrita, tell me one thing. So firstly, so why are we whisking it? And secondly, when do you know that whisking is done? Like you don't need to whisk anymore.
Okay, so we need to incorporate it and make it much lighter, right? Our
Okay.
eggless use कर रहे हैं, तो we
Yeah.
want it to still be nice and light.
And a heavier flour also.
Yes,
Yeah.
and so see now, when you see these bubbles on top,
Yeah.
you know that this batter is pretty ready.
Alright, alright. So I have an iron skillet here.
Okay, that will work. In fact, but where you got this skillet from? Because I don't
I
know.
just got this from Amazon. So
Okay, okay.
yeah, but as in the people who do not have a skillet can make it on a regular pan
Absolutely.
also.
I have like one of those dosa tawa.
Okay.
And I use that, and that also is okay. Use anything which will make sure that doesn't stick too much, yeah?
Okay, alright. So instead of using butter, we're using ghee.
Yeah.
Enough?
Alright, yes. And make sure it's all everywhere. तो अच्छा जब गरम हो जाएगा,
Yeah.
then only we will put our batter. So
Okay.
I'll make it closer. And let's
You wanna come this side?
yeah. So usually क्या होता है ना, I don't know if you made like dosa or like crepes or something.
I made crepes and pancakes.
हाँ ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, डोसा के बीच में भी बना लेंगे. मगर क्या होता है, पहला वाला तो सही बनता नहीं है.
Yeah.
Because वो
Story of my life.
पहला वाला ना, क्योंकि पैन ना रेडी नहीं होता है, मतलब
Yeah.
उसका मॉइस्चर वाला कितनी बार रहता है. So first one, but make
Always.
sure.
Yeah, so don't be disheartened if your first dosa, pancake, crepe doesn't come out the way that you want it to be.
Yeah.
You're not alone, guys. We are with you.
Yeah, with you.
In this disheartening journey, we are with you. Yeah.
This is how I wanted my crepe to look.
Okay.
So it's time to flip. And go. See.
Oh wow.
Pretty.
So pretty.
And here's another one.
Woohoo.
So much excitement with the
For crepes.
done. Alright, so
Great.
now we will serve it with the ricotta, which is in
Yes,
the fridge,
please.
and with mangoes. So should we do some fancy food
Let's do
styling?
it.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Alright, Amrita. So crepes ban gaye. Now what's the POA? Plan of action.
ये श्रेष्ठ तुम काफी लेम जोक्स मार रहे हो, एक काम करो जरा जाओ उधर और रिकॉर्ड लेकर आओ फिर से।
Alright.
चल। And I'm gonna take a mango and slice it थोड़ा differently.
This looks very pretty.
Yeah.
The mango rose.
Yeah, but the difficult part is not making the roast. Difficult
Yeah.
part is to take this
And transfer it on the
Yeah.
crepes. So that sounds tricky.
Yeah.
But before that, I want to spread the ricotta
Yeah.
on the crepes.
Yeah, let's do that.
This looks amazing. A drizzle of honey.
Okay, use honey which is raw or unfiltered or wild honey because
Okay.
then also has more health benefits and you don't want to use refined or like just sugary bit of
Okay.
honey. Okay? This is amazing. When you'll try this recipe, guys, you will really like it. So also please like this video and share this with all your friends. And पता है?
And subscribe.
हाँ वही मैं बोलने दो मुझे. Okay, so Shivesh has been really thinking since so long to make these videos for you all, and please support him by subscribing to his channel. Okay?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for watching this recipe with me and Amrita. I'll be back next week with another recipe, so please stay tuned.